MOHR Corporation is pleased to offer for sale previously owned machinery including 2 Dorst powder compacting presses, a Niagara mechanical press, 2 18-inch wire mesh belt sintering furnaces, and an Abar vacuum sintering furnace. These machines are all currently located in California in the United States. This is a view of the Niagara Model E110 mechanical press. While this press has many applications in metal stamping and metal forming, it has been used for and is currently tooled to do resizing or coining of powder metal parts. Niagara is a leading brand of American-made machinery for this application of powder metal sizing or restrike and for general metal forming purposes. The latest air-operated braking equipment and other monitoring devices are included on this press. This press is in very good mechanical condition, and you can inspect it under power at this time. You can operate the control functions. You can see the press operating, make your own judgment about the mechanical condition. Put it through its paces. You'll find this to be an extraordinarily good offer of a Niagara press. The die set now in the front of the press will remain the property of the present owner of the press. This shows the small pit in the floor used for servicing the machine. It's in excellent condition. This Dorst Model DP120 powder compacting press is an unusual press to find as a second-hand machine. Act upon its availability right away. When this videotape was taken, the press was in production. You're seeing powder metal parts being pressed from powdered iron material. The Dorst powder compacting presses are really fine machines. They're considered to be the world's leading mechanical press of its type. Here you see the shuttle type powder feed system feeding powder into the die. Into the tool holder, there is one tool holder and the complete powder feed system that you're seeing that's included with the press. This is a Dorst Model TPA N100 powder compacting press. What you're now viewing is the area where the tool holder that is provided with the press is mounted during operation. MOHR Corporation has other photographs of this press taken when it was installed. It was removed from its site of installation just prior to this video being taken. The press is complete. You will find this press to be way above average in general mechanical condition. You don't find too many 100-ton Dorst presses available on the used machinery marketplace. Really fine equipment. This is one of 2 18-inch wide wire mesh belt sintering furnaces. These 2 powder metal sintering furnaces are available for inspection in California. The video views that you are seeing at this time are of one which is installed. The second one has already been removed from service. Both can be shipped immediately. Complete specifications are available from MOHR Corporation for this furnace and for the other equipment that you're viewing in this videotape. This is a gas-operated furnace. You can see the piping, the electrical wiring, and controls as we move around this furnace. Be sure to check with MOHR Corporation for specifications about any of this equipment. We have full specifications for the presses that you've seen. The data for these furnaces is available from MOHR Corporation and will include the height of the belt, centering temperature, and other information. These furnaces were manufactured in California for the present owner. There's no question about their ability to sinter powder metal parts to very high quality. That's what you're seeing happening with this one furnace at this time. The construction is very good, the engineering very sound. This is a view of flow meters. The price for this equipment is very low, considering the high quality of the equipment and its ability to sinter very good powder metal products. Note that this furnace can be removed in sections. It's a very easy furnace to take out of service, to ship and reinstall. We're giving you longer time in inspecting this furnace, so give you an opportunity to get an idea of the floor space and general layout of the equipment, which has been asked of MOHR Corporation by numerous inquirers about this particular piece of equipment. Notice the high quality of assembly. And below the belt, the variable speed drive is mounted. As the leading supplier of second-hand powder metal machinery and equipment, MOHR Corporation offers this and many other pieces of machinery and equipment that may meet your requirements, not shown in this video. Be sure and tell MOHR Corporation what your needs are, now or into the future. Contact MOHR Corporation in Detroit to make personal inspections of any of the equipment on this video. This is the electrical control panel and power supply for the furnace that you just saw. You can see that this is all functioning as you view the video. There are other belt furnaces in MOHR's inventory. MOHR is providing you with these videos so that you can see the equipment, become acquainted with its general layout and general condition, so that when you make a personal inspection, you're aware of what you will be seeing on site, such as this Abar vacuum sintering furnace. This furnace is also located in a powder metal plant in the western part of the United States. You can see the vacuum shell, the controls to the right, The power supplies are mounted above the shell of the furnace. Abar is a part of Ipsen Industries. This is fine quality equipment, very well engineered. The computer control that you see is for the programming of the furnace. You're looking at a side view, and to the back are the vacuum pumps. This is a view of the vacuum pumps. This furnace can be operated at this time. You can see the furnace complete as installed. It can be operated for you if necessary. Once again, the complete specifications for this furnace are available from MOHR Corporation. A copy of the operating manual is in MOHR's possession in our Southfield, Michigan offices. In a moment, you're going to see the cooling tower that is also available with this furnace. Keep in mind that you may have your own cooling tower, or may wish to have a cooling tower of a different capacity. The one that is with this furnace at the moment does need repairs, although the furnace itself is in very good working order. You're reminded that these are second-hand machines, and they will be sold to the first buyer, and we encourage your early inspection of this equipment. As we open the door of this vacuum furnace, you can see the heat zone, heating elements, and the general arrangement of the centering furnace. As you can see, it is complete and ready for operation. This is all graphite material that you're seeing in the heat zone. This is a very well-engineered furnace. We encourage you to inspect this in person. You can also see the heat exchanger, which is now in view, and mounted outside of the building to service the Abar vacuum centering furnace. Once again, this component needs repair. Our thanks for viewing this video. Please contact MOHR Corporation in Southfield, Michigan for any further technical information or to arrange for an inspection of this equipment. As the most experienced second-hand powder metal machinery and equipment dealer in North America, MOHR Corporation welcomes your contact about this or any other machinery and equipment that you require, whether you have surplus for sale.